Hey, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing values, and this is another video on the self-care series.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I feel it's extremely important for us to shift our mindsets from a negative one to a more positive one. So I know that I've already made a video on values, but this one's going to be slightly different. Your values have an impact on the way that you think and the way that you move in the world. And practicing self-care has an impact on the way that you think and the way that you move in the world. So that is why I've added it to this series. So sit back and just think to yourself, what are my values? Are these values mine? Or were they placed upon me by my parents or anybody else in my life? So pull out a piece of paper and get a pen and write down values at the top of the page. Now, under that, write down everything that comes to mind. You can pause the video so that way you can write them down. After you've written them down, put a heart next to the ones that you feel actually match who you are as an individual, not based on who others want you to be or see you as. Now, write a minus sign next to the ones that you don't feel serve you or ones that you don't believe in and that were just placed on you from other people. Now, make another list. Below that list, write down my true values. Now, the values that you've written above that with the hearts next to them, write those down below that list. Now write down, I am letting these values go. And the values you've already written with the minus next to them, write those down. Now it's time for you to look through what your true values are and make sure that you truly feel that these match what your values are or what you want your values to be. On the values that are not yours, the ones that you're letting go, look over them and write down why you are letting them go. It's going to be a lot easier for you to let those values go if you can understand why you're letting them go. Not just because I've written it down. No, write down why you're letting them go. Write down why these do not serve you. And then break down your true values. Why are these your true values? Do your actions match your true values? And if those values don't match your actions, it's time to be mindful of the way that you move and be mindful to make sure that your actions are now matching your values. This is going to take time. It's going to take a lot of effort, but trust me, when your actions actually match up to your values, your life will become a lot easier. You won't second guess as much because you know that you're doing your best to truly live the life that you've always wanted to live. Again, this is going to take time for you to shift the way that you move to be able to match your values, but I know that you will continue to take action and continue to put in the effort. Change hurts. Stepping out of your comfort zone hurts. Sometimes when you create change and you become changed, you may lose the people that you care about. You may lose the ones that you love. If they're truly meant to be in your life, they will be in your life. Maybe not now, but maybe in the future. It may not be time for them to change. It may also be that you guys just aren't meant to be connected. And that doesn't mean you have to completely remove people from your life, but maybe limit the amount of interactions that you have. I know it's going to hurt, but you have to be mindful of who you surround yourself with, because if the people that you surround yourself with don't match your values, then you're going to feel stuck when they're doing things that have a negative impact on the values that you've already set for yourself. And that's going to be a lot harder than to finally step into yourself and move the way that you want to move, not the way that other people are telling you to move. I know you can do it. I have faith in you. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so that way you're notified every time I upload a video. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you are watching this. Always remember to be love, be peace, spread love everywhere you go, and always, always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.